The operative processes in an aircraft hangar demand a high level of organization, efficiency, and reliability. These requirements have to be fulfilled by the hangar door to the same extent. Butzbach Hangar Doors have been developed specifically to meet these high specifications. That's why our name is considered worldwide as a synonym for hangar doors with permanent operational availability, best working conditions due to light transmitting fiberglass, individual project support from the first sketch to the acceptance and during the entire lifespan. With more than 800 hangar door projects realized in 30 years, we have comprehensive experience and expertise. Each door is planned and executed individually for the specific hangar and its utilization. In the Butzbach sliding door, the free movable door leaves enable each individual door panel to be shifted easily. This ensures the highest flexibility in application. In the Butzbach telescopic door, the single panels are interconnected. They open at the same time and give central access to the entire hangar front. In the Butzbach round the corner door, each panel is guided along the lateral wall in the inside or at the outside of the hangar. Once opened, the door is completely clear of the opening. The Butzbach hangar doors are designed to secure the optimal utilization of the hangar and its perfect operational workflow, even with a multitude of door movements per day. Our light-transmitting fiberglass creates bright, shadow-free and glare-free interior spaces. A sustainable operation is supported by efficient thermal insulation and reduced need for artificial light, thus enabling the user to save on its energy costs. Fiberglass offers as well a 100% protection against UV radiation and is free of any radar reflections. Many further optional accessories such as tail doors, stacking doors for vehicles or personnel doors can be fitted within the main hangar door to benefit the operative processes in the hangar. The premium quality and the reliability of the Butzbach technology ensure the permanent operational availability of your hangar. An ingenious drive technology, heatable tracks for winter operation, an easy manual operation in case of power breakdown, a multitude of safety devices, and a fast and competent service guarantee, maximum functional reliability that can last for decades. Intelligent, professional, solide. Butzbach Hangar Doors.